speaker wire is the unglamorous workhorse of any audio system, translating amplifier power into accurate sound with minimal loss. The right gauge, conductor material, and jacket construction can affect clarity, polarity integrity, and ease of installation, especially in longer runs or complex setups. In this review, I test and compare
List number 1. Amazon Basics Speaker Cable. This budget-friendly option provides a straightforward 16-gauge, 2-conductor copper-based design with a bronze jacket. It ships on a plastic spool for simple dispensing and includes a clear polarity line to aid installation. The label emphasizes undisjointed signals and easy connection to AV receivers or amplifiers, making it a solid pick for beginners or value-focused setups. Performance and use cases. The 16 AWG size is adequate for many home theater runs under 50 feet per leg with moderate SPL demands. The bronze jacket helps protect the conductors while remaining flexible enough for in-wall or behind furniture runs. The 2-conductor, 2-wire configuration with a single black polarity line simplifies orientation, though the copper composition is not oxygen-free, typical for budget wires. In practice, it delivers clean highs and reasonable mid-range retention for standard 2-channel or surround sound systems, with minimal visible resistance in relaxed listening scenarios. With longer runs or very high power applications, users may notice a slight temperature rise or marginal loss if run lengths exceed recommended limits.
List number 2. 16 AWG Gauge Speaker Wire Cable Stereo. This 16 AWG cable from InstallLink uses copper cloud aluminum (CCA) with a soft, flexible jacket and a frosted red-black color scheme. It advertises easy polarity identification and suitability for both home theater and car audio environments, with an emphasis on flexibility and durability for DIY installers. Performance and use cases. The CCA composition provides a cost-efficient alternative to pure copper, with acceptable signal integrity for typical consumer systems, especially where run lengths are moderate. The soft jacket aids installation around tight spaces, and the dual-conductor design supports standard 2-channel wiring. For critical loudspeaker tasks or very long runs, CCA's higher resistance relative to OFC can introduce a measurable loss at high frequencies or with low impedance loads. Users should consider shorter runs or slightly thicker gauge if possible. This wire is a strong value option for budget builds or retrofits in cars and living rooms where aesthetics and flexibility are priorities.
List number 3. Kinter Cable 100 feet 16-gauge audio stereo speaker wire. Kinter offers a clear PVC jacket with a red polarity stripe and a 100-foot supply of 16-gauge wire. It uses copper-clad aluminum with a 74 high-strand count intended to improve flexibility and reduce microphonic noise, packaged on a recyclable spool for easy dispensing. Performance and use cases. The 74-strand CCA construction strains against minimal conductor resistance while boosting flexibility, which is helpful for routing around corners or through tight spaces. The polarity marking is explicit, aiding novice installers in avoiding miswiring. As with most CCA wires, expect slightly more resistance than OFC. In casual listening environments, differences may be subtle, but for longer runs or higher power speakers, users may perceive diminished high-frequency extension or a marginal drop in dynamic headroom compared with OFC counterparts. This makes it a practical choice for budget builds or temporary installations where total fidelity is less critical than ease of installation.
List number 4. InstallLink 14-gauge speaker wire speaker cable. This 14-gauge wire targets higher power scenarios, offering a thicker conductor on a 100-foot run with a soft, flexible jacket and distinct red-black polarity indicators. As with other InstallLink products, it emphasizes ease of stripping and durable construction. Performance and use cases. The 14WG size reduces resistance more than 16 AWG, enabling better performance for more demanding receivers and larger rooms. The CCA composition keeps costs reasonable while providing stronger current handling than thinner gauges. The soft flex jacket and clear polarity markings help installers route runs through cars, home theaters, or RV installations with confidence. For long car installations or multi-room systems, this gauge can strike a good balance between cost, ease of handling, and audible performance, though OFC would still offer lower resistance and potentially better HF response.
List number 5. Amazon Basics 14-gauge audio speaker. The premium Amazon Basics option uses 14 AWG OFC 99.9% oxygen-free copper with the white jacket and clear polarity coating. It aims to deliver lower resistance and improved signal integrity over standard budget wires, making it a practical upgrade for mid to high-end setups or longer runs. Performance and use cases. With OFC, this wire offers reduced attenuation, particularly at higher frequencies and with heavier loads. The 10-foot length paired with 14 AWG strikes a balance between flexibility and performance, reducing the likelihood of audible losses in mid-range and treble regions. The white jacket helps with polarity recognition and installation visibility. Because OFC is more expensive, this option is best suited for users seeking higher fidelity, longer runs, or setups where the system's potential is not fully realized by budget cable's capabilities.